The smell of grilled food and pine trees brings out the outdoorsman in all of us. So who can resist a good pellet griller that makes this cooking process streamlined? If you're looking for the best pellet griller for you that's available on the market today, here are 5 excellent options we found. Here are the top 5 best pellet grillers. The 5th product on this list is the GRILLA OG Alpha Connect. The GRILLA OG Alpha Connect is a standout pellet grill that combines robust construction with advanced technology, making it an excellent choice for barbecue enthusiasts. With its sleek design and durable materials, this grill not only looks great in your outdoor space, but is built to withstand the elements. One of the key features of the Alpha Connect is its digital control system, which allows users to monitor and adjust temperatures remotely via a smartphone app. This connectivity offers unparalleled convenience, letting you check on your food from anywhere, making it perfect for multitaskers. The temperature range of 180 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit allows for a variety of cooking methods, from low and slow smoking to high-heat grilling. The 1,000 square inch cooking area provides ample space for large gatherings, accommodating everything from briskets to burgers. The versatile cooking options are enhanced by the ability to use different wood pellets, allowing you to experiment with flavors. However, do note that some users might find the initial setup a bit complex due to the various features. Additionally, while the price is competitive, it may be higher than entry-level models, making it more suitable for serious grillers. Overall, the GRILLA OG Alpha Connect offers a fantastic blend of technology and performance. Its user-friendly features, coupled with a solid build and generous cooking capacity, make it a worthy investment for anyone looking to elevate their outdoor cooking experience. The 4th product on this list is the Kamado Joe Pellet Joe. The Kamado Joe Pellet Joe is an innovative addition to the Kamado family, combining the classic ceramic design with the convenience of pellet grilling. This hybrid grill stands out for its versatility, allowing users to smoke, grill, and bake with ease. One of the defining features of the Pellet Joe is its impressive temperature range, which spans from 225 degrees Fahrenheit to 700 degrees Fahrenheit. This makes it perfect for low and slow smoking of briskets or high-heat searing of steaks. The integrated digital control system ensures precise temperature management, allowing for consistent cooking results every time. The grill's construction is top-notch, featuring a durable ceramic body that retains heat exceptionally well, contributing to even cooking. The large cooking surface provides ample space for preparing meals for gatherings, and the included divide-and-conquer cooking system allows for multi-zone cooking, making it easy to prepare different dishes simultaneously. However, do note that while the Pellet Joe excels in many areas, some users may find the initial learning curve steep, especially if transitioning from traditional grilling methods. Additionally, the price point is on the higher side, making it a significant investment for casual grillers. The Kamado Joe Pellet Joe is an excellent choice for serious outdoor cooking enthusiasts. Its combination of advanced features, robust construction, and versatility make it a standout grill that can elevate any backyard barbecue experience. Whether you're smoking ribs or baking pizza, the Pellet Joe delivers delicious results every time. Oh, still haven't found the best pellet griller for your needs? Keep on watching because the next 3 products will surely blow your mind. If this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for the latest reviews of techs you can't live without. The 3rd product on this list is the Camp Chef Woodwind. The Camp Chef Woodwind is a versatile and user-friendly pellet grill that caters to outdoor cooking enthusiasts seeking both convenience and flavor. With its sleek design and durable construction, the Woodwind stands out as a solid option for those who enjoy grilling, smoking, and baking. One of the most impressive features of the Woodwind is its advanced digital temperature control system, which allows for precise cooking from 160 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. This flexibility makes it easy to achieve the perfect sear on steaks or to smoke ribs low and slow. The integrated Wi-Fi capabilities let users monitor and control the grill remotely through a smartphone app, adding an extra layer of convenience. The grill's spacious cooking surface provides ample room for large gatherings, and the optional sidekick attachment adds further versatility, enabling you to sear, boil, or even bake alongside your pellet grilling. The Woodwind also features a large hopper, allowing for longer cooking sessions without the need for constant refills. However, do note that some users may find that the initial assembly can be a bit time-consuming. Camchef's Woodwind is an excellent choice for anyone looking to elevate their outdoor cooking game. Its blend of innovative technology, versatility, and ample cooking space makes it a reliable option for achieving delicious, smoked, or grilled meals every time. The second product on this list is the Recteq Flagship 1100. The Recteq Flagship 1100 is a top-tier pellet grill that combines performance, durability, and advanced technology, making it an excellent choice for serious barbecue enthusiasts. With its impressive 1,100 square inch cooking area, this grill provides ample space for everything from briskets to large batches of ribs, perfect for gatherings or family events. One of the standout features of the Flagship 1100 is its PID controller, which ensures precise temperature control and consistency throughout the cooking process. With a temperature range of 200 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, it allows for versatile cooking methods, from low and slow smoking to high-heat grilling. The grill also features a large hopper, accommodating up to 40 pounds of pellets, which means longer cooking sessions without the need for constant refills. The durable stainless steel construction adds to its longevity and makes it resistant to the elements, ensuring that it can withstand outdoor use. Additionally, the Recteq app provides remote monitoring and control capabilities, allowing users to check on their food from anywhere. However, do note that some users may find the initial price a bit steep compared to entry-level models, but the quality and performance justify the investment. Overall, the Recteq Flagship 1100 is a superb choice for anyone looking to enhance their outdoor cooking experience. Its combination of ample cooking space, advanced features, and robust build makes it a reliable and efficient option for achieving delicious, smoky flavors in every meal. And before we reveal the top pellet griller on this list, be sure to check out the description below for the newest and best deals on each of these items. And don't forget to subscribe if you want the latest news and the best products on the market. And finally, the top pellet griller is the Traeger grill's Ironwood. The Traeger grill's Ironwood is a premier pellet grill that embodies convenience and versatility for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. With its robust construction and user-friendly features, it stands out as an excellent choice for both seasoned pitmasters and beginners alike. One of the Ironwood's standout features is its advanced D2 direct drive system, which ensures precise temperature control and quicker heating times. The grill's temperature range of 165 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit allows for a variety of cooking methods. From low and slow cooking to high-heat grilling, this versatility makes it easy to prepare everything from perfectly smoked ribs to grilled vegetables. The Ironwood also boasts Traeger's Wi-Fi technology, enabling users to monitor and control their grill remotely via a smartphone app. This feature adds an extra layer of convenience, allowing for real-time adjustments and notifications while you enjoy your time with family or friends. With a generous cooking surface and dual meat probes, the Ironwood accommodates large meals effortlessly. The sturdy construction, coupled with a durable porcelain-coated grill grate, ensures longevity and easy cleaning. However, do note that the price point may be higher than entry-level models, which could deter casual grillers. The Traeger Ironwood is an outstanding investment for anyone serious about outdoor cooking. Its blend of advanced features, excellent build quality, and versatility makes it a top contender in the pellet grill market, delivering consistently delicious results every time. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we've helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. If you can't wait for the next video, check out these two that we think you'd love. We'll see you guys in the next fantastic techs you can't live without videos. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible, and if you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below.